Hi, I'm Thomas from Crown City Tire, and today I want to talk about catalytic converter shields and what we're doing to help prevent the theft of these precious parts off your vehicle. Now, you may have heard in the news about a lot of theft going on with catalytic converters. Now, this is an example of a catalytic converter right here on this vehicle. Well, what happens is someone comes around and they cut there and they cut there. Within less than a minute, they will steal this part from your vehicle. If you don't have insurance, you're probably looking around $2,000 to $3,000 repair just for this. We want to prevent this from happening. Now, what we're offering for our customers is what's called a catalytic converter shield. This is an example of one of those products. We source, I like to say, the best part that we can possibly get. This is made in the United States. It has an amazing hardware setup that helps make sure it has a long-term life and doesn't get removed easily. It covers the catalytic converter itself where you cannot cut at certain points. We use the hardware. It can be either rivets or security screws, and it keeps it on there for basically the life of the vehicle. So if you'd like to get yours installed, give us a call, make an appointment online. We have 2 locations in Pasadena to serve you, and we can take good care of you. Thank you very much.